Subject pronouns. In this lesson, we're going to learn something essential for building sentences in Spanish. Subject pronouns. These are the words like yo, tú, él, and nosotros. They tell us who is doing the action in a sentence. Just like in English, we say I, you, he, she, and they. Spanish has its own versions, and knowing them is the first step in conjugating verbs and forming full sentences. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to recognize and use the basic subject pronouns in Spanish, and you'll start understanding how sentences are built around them. Let's get started. In Spanish, the word yo means I. You use yo when talking about yourself. An informal way to say you in Spanish is tú. It's commonly used when talking to friends, siblings, cousins, and people your own age, or in casual situations. In Spanish, usted means you, but in a formal way. You use usted when you're talking to someone you don't know well, someone older, or in respectful situations, like with a teacher, a doctor, or in a job interview. In Spanish, él means he. You use it when you're talking about a man, a boy, or any male person. In Spanish, ella means she. You use it when you're talking about a girl, a woman, or any female person. Ellos means they in Spanish. You use ellos when you're talking about a group of people that include at least one male. Ellas means they, but only when you're talking about a group of women or girls. Ustedes means you all, or you guys. It's used when you're talking to more than one person, whether formal or informal, especially in Latin America. Nosotros means we in Spanish. You use it when you're talking about a group that includes yourself. Nosotras means we in Spanish, just like nosotros, but it's only used when the group is made up entirely of women or girls. How do you say I in Spanish? Yo, yo. What is the informal way of saying you in Spanish? Tú, tú. What is the formal way of saying you in Spanish? Usted, usted. How do you say he in Spanish? Él, él. How do you say she in Spanish? Ella, ella. How do you say they in Spanish? Ellos, ellos. How do you say they if you're referring to two or more females? Ellas, ellas. How do you say you all or you guys in Spanish? Ustedes, ustedes. How do you say we in Spanish? Nosotros, nosotros. How do you say we for two or more females? Nosotras, nosotras. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on subject pronouns in Spanish. Right now, you're learning the essential pieces that will help you understand and speak Spanish more clearly. Even though we're not forming full sentences yet, don't worry. That part is coming soon. In the next lessons, we'll start adding more words so you can begin using these pronouns in simple and useful ways. You're doing great. Keep it up, and I'll see you in the next lesson.